I feel proud to be present here, and this medical rehabilitation center is doing wonderful job for individuals. As a neurologist, I have long time attachment with Dr. Bhagat. His amazing skill and work culture. নিজের প্রফিট ছাড়া কেউ লোকাল বিজনেস ব্যাপারে অত কিছু ব্যাপারে জানে না, তাই টাকা করবো না ওর কাছে এই যে রেফারেন্স সিস্টেমটা করতে গেলে রাষ্ট্রের কীভাবে অসুবিধা কার এসে সে ঘুরে যায়, কিন্তু প্রাইমারি নলেজ যদি একটুখানি থাকে সেটা করে দেওয়া সেটা কিন্তু পেশেন্টের সুবিধা হয়। সেই জন্যই আজকে এই ভীষণ ওয়ার্কশপ সরকার হয়েছে। এটা ফুটার ম্যাট্রি অফিসের উপর তোমরা একটু দেখে নাও, দেখে নিয়ে যেখানে তুমি পারবে সেটা করে দেবে।
Here is with us, I will introduce you, Mr. Kanahaya Kumar. He is the in charge of the Artificial Limb Center in MRC Medical College, and Mr. Abhishek Tripathi is the lecturer in prosthetics and orthosis in NIMD, and Mr. Arif is also there from NIMD.
So we can see here the high arch is there. That is the foot is basically in the deformed condition. The high arch is in cavus condition.
That is having problem with the knee. When the sense of knees are giving away, then he is putting weight on that. And also he has some balance problem. Okay, sense of fall. So first is the approach. I never give much emphasis on the treatment. You first know the diagnosis. What is wrong with the patient? Unless you know what is wrong with the patient, you cannot treat the patient.
Walking gait comes like this only on the side, and at the end of say 3 months or something, the shoe on one side gets
No, it's not appropriate.
so it is actually not helping in any way. I have seen.
Communication is there or not. That is to be assessed properly, because he is complaining of the conditions that are going some distance. He is having a problem with his legs. So those are to be assessed properly.